Hi everyone, I'm Jamesy from Starting Out channel. Are you looking to start your first investment in Endowus or MoneyOwl? I got you covered. I tried both platforms for you so you can see their results before you start investing with them. All of us are pretty kiasu, so give yourself a pat on the back because you take the time to research before you invest. Please note, I'm not a financial advisor, so my video is just for recreational purpose. First, we are going to look at Endowus. If you want to know how Endowus works and their portfolios you can choose, you can watch my video here when I give an in-depth theory explanation. Alright, we will move on. Endowus invests in mutual funds. It means you have a fund manager managing all of the investments, so you need to pay him a salary. This means your fees will be slightly higher and you have to pay attention to the fees calculated upon confirmation of your portfolio. Different funds will have different fees. One special thing about Endowus is you can invest with your CPF ordinary account. Maybe it's time to invest my CPF instead of return my CPF. The process seems easy to set up, although I haven't tried it personally. If you are considering, let's be realistic and look at the projected returns. If it's lower than 2.5%, then don't waste your time and let's go KTV together. Based on their past records, the returns are higher than 2.5%. A monthly investment of $300 will give you a potential gains of $132,000 after 30 years. But I'll keep to my promise of this video. I'll be back here at 50 years old to share if this portfolio really works. At least this is to help our next generation to come. Now we are moving on to their portfolios. You can go for general investing, but not me, as I already invested in many other general portfolios from other Robo-Advisors. If you eat the same chicken rice every day, don't tell me you won't feel tired and sian. Am I right to say that? However, there's one chobu who caught my eye. Their environmental, social, and governance portfolio, also known as ESG funds, looks kind of special. This is where I can start bragging I support companies focusing on sustainable earth. Unknown to all, my evil mega mind thinks that big corporations will definitely push for sustainability to boost their reputation and to prevent suffering potential boycotts. Because I personally have a few clients from big MNC as well, and they have been coming up with plans to push sustainability initiatives. So yeah, why not try investing in this in my workout? The greedy Jamesy went for 80% equities and 20% fixed income. If you are unaware of what equities and fixed income are, I want you to close your eyes. Imagine this in your mind right now. It is a rainy day. You just broke up with a girlfriend. You took out your Taobao umbrella to shield your head from the heavy rain. The rest of your body ended up drenched like a wet chicken or 落汤鸡. The rain is the stock market volatility, and your Nook umbrella is your fixed income shielding you from the stock market. The bigger your umbrella, the more protection you will have. I hope you guys understand what I just said. So for myself, I invested $2,500 to test the water, and it gave me a return of $51.05. That is about 2%. I have to give them compliments because I only invested for 1 month. I'm an easygoing chap. I'm happy as long as it comes back positive. Here's my Endowus report card. They exceeded my expectations during the first month because I was expecting to increase or decrease by 1.5%. That's the rough gauge. I'll continue leaving my investments there long term, so any short-term loss and gain doesn't really bother me at all. By the way, the US stocks are kind of bullish recently, so a lot remains to be seen. This is like a honeymoon period where couples who just got married, Everything looked very sweet and nice until the husband secretly went to KTV and then got caught. Then you'll see a search price for durian shells. Okay, enough nonsense. Now you will look at MoneyOwl, the first bionic robo-advisor in Singapore. It is a unique term because it combines both human and technological touch. What's more unique is to click the subscribe button to sign up for Jimzy's surprise mechanics, because you never know what the video is going to become next. Now, if you want to know how MoneyOwl works, do watch my past video here for an in-depth explanation. MoneyOwl has 3 different bionic arms to choose from. The first bionic arm, the codename Grow Your Wealth, is general investments. I think you heard that a couple of times. The second bionic arm, codename Receive Income Payout, is where you receive dividends and payout along the way. The last bionic arm, codename Park Your Cash, is just a higher interest saving accounts. For myself, I went for the first bionic arm, codename Grow Your Wealth, because that's exactly what I want to do: grow my wealth and become Singapore's Warren Buffett. In my bionic arm, I had 2 specific profiles: equity 100, where 100% are invested into stocks, and balanced portfolio, where 60% goes into stocks and 40% into fixed income and bonds. The reason why I went for both is because I'm kiasi Singaporean. So I invested $2,000 in equity 100 and give me a return of $50. That's about 2.52%. For my balanced portfolio, my investments of $3,099 give me a return of $98. That's about 3.16%. Here's my report on MoneyOwl. I started investing about 1.5 months ago, and both gave me pretty good returns, both portfolios. The downside is MoneyOwl doesn't have an app like Endowus, so you have to log in using your Chrome or Safari to check. Other than that, the sign up process, deposit, and withdrawal is simple as 1, 2, and 3. The percentage gained is around the Robo-Advisor standard because all the platforms I invested give me about 2 to 4% within that range. So I would say MoneyOwl served its purpose. Now we come to the golden question of the day: Endowus or MoneyOwl? So now you know how much I made from investing in both platforms. The golden question is, which one is better? I would say both works well for me, but I'm looking forward to Endowus ESG Fund. Yes, they chose. I'm waiting for their first year results because it looks promising as of now. At the same time, the percentage gains for MoneyOwl proves to be reliable as well. My conclusion is both platforms serve me well and are given a seal of approval for the time being. The real challenge is seeing how each platform reacts to market crashes. Hopefully not too soon. So guys, share with me in the comments section below on which robo-advisor you prefer. If you have any experiences in the mentioned platforms, share with all of us as well. Your identity will be strictly kept hidden. You can use my referral links and we both get something free for both platforms. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video because a charity a day keeps the market crash away. Watch my other videos on Scythe versus Stash Away if you are looking for more options, because Singaporeans always go for the most valuable deal. Thank you for watching, my fellow friends. Jimzy signing off.